Hello, this is Harshendra from PVR Developers. Coming with PVR Developers, we have very good projects in very different locations. We are covering the complete Golden Circle part of the Hyderabad segment. One, we consider the Golden Triangle starting from Kokapet, Shankarpalli, and the Patancheru locations, which are upcomingly going to be very goodly developed in this Hyderabad city. The complete western part of Hyderabad is Patancheru and Shankarpalli locations. Here there are very good investment plans in Patancheru, and we have also very good investment plans in Shankarpalli also. As of now, we are going on with 7 projects in the city. We have Bhuvi in Kokapet location. We have 2 villa projects as well as 2 apartment projects in Shankarpalli location. We also have an apartment project in Patancheru, exactly on the exit number of ORR. And we also have a project in Miyapur called as PVR Anmol. So basically the concept of Golden Triangle is about the upcoming investments of governments or tech parks or Neopolis, which is coming up in Kokapet, and the sanctions of government and the regional ring road which has been sanctioned in this particular area. We are covering the most important parts of this city. So in Shankarpalli we have 2 villa projects. One is ready to move and the other one is upcoming. And we also have 2 apartment projects in Shankarpalli with G+5 structures. And our main biggest project is Laksha, PVR's Laksha. It consists of G+30 floors, around 3,000 families with 20 acres of land area. And this is PVR Anmol. This is a completely premium luxury living community with only 100 families and 3 level to 4 levels of clubhouse. And this is completely located on a hilltop view, so that the customers can have a very good viewpoint. At the same time, the complete private living, which is completely impossible in Miyapur Vachapalli location because of heavy pollutions and heavy vehicle movements and road and everything. Despite of that, we have planned a very beautiful project here. We are approved for RERA also with Anmol. So this is a beautiful project of 1 or 2 families. It is called a compact segment project. And the Neopolis Kokapet, we have Bhuvi. It is a ready to move property which is located in exactly on the main roads of Kokapet only. So customers who are availing loan facilities or who are looking for a good ready to move and at the same time investment purposes projects, we have the 7 projects located primarily in very good locations. And we also have a very good investment option for the people who are interested to invest in commercial. So we have a commercial project which is called as PVR's West Wave, located in Nanakaram, just behind the Wave Rock building. So there are multiple opinions on how real estate market is going on in this segment in the city, in Hyderabad and everything. But as realtors, we don't see any back off or any number of bookings going down anything. We have a very good market and the prices are very impressively increasing even through the COVID second phase also. So market is on a very pretty good note. Property show, we are having very prospect customers who are coming up with their deals and who are looking for villas and apartments. And mostly as of now the market is moving towards farm villa or such kind of structures, because that the market has faced the COVID and post-COVID situations where people can't live together in apartments and structures. So we are also planning to come up with those things where the complete segment of living will be COVID or post-COVID centric.